how's it going, guys? Today we are in the Northwest Las Vegas. And when I'm saying Northwest Las Vegas, I'm talking about the farthest you could get in the Northwest of Las Vegas. So for today's tour, we are gonna be in the community of Alder at Tri Pointe by Tri Pointe Homes. And I'm gonna be checking out floor plan number 1. And I cannot wait to show you because it's absolutely a beautiful home. So if you're more into modern homes, then this community might be just for you. Also, guys, if this is your first time to my channel, what I do in my channel is I tour all the new construction homes here throughout the Las Vegas area. So if that's something you're interested, whether you just love previewing homes like I do, or you're possibly interested in even purchasing a home. So either way, guys, if that's something you're interested, subscribe to my channel, tap that bell for notifications. That way, when we do upload these tours, you guys are always the first to learn about them. Now let's get started. Guys, so here we are at Alder at Tri Pointe by Tri Pointe Homes, and here we have plan number 1. Really quick, let me show you the other 3 plans that they do have available, and I will be having upcoming videos on those. But for today, we're just going to be focusing on plan number 1. That way, this is not a super long video, and once all of them release, you kind of just go one by one and check them out in your convenience. So plan number 1, it's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. It is 1,889 square feet, 2-car garage, and starting base price on this one is $503,000. Depending on the elevation you go, it could go up to as $511,000. HOA here is $81 a month. It is a gated community, and there's a total of 4 different floor plans, guys, and 3 different elevations, and each different elevation, guys, has a starting different base price. They are going to be building 156 homes here in this community here in the Northwest, guys. Not too far, guys. You do have Mount Charleston right over there, so just about 20-minute drive and you're there. And also, I know I mentioned that base price, guys, so $503,000. So that does not include any of your lot premiums or any of your upgrades. So lot premiums right now, you know, you could get even lots right now with $0, guys, or even up to $10,000. So it just depends on the lot size and the location, guys. And if you're one of those people that want a nice oversized lots, they also do have those options, guys, but those you're probably looking about $30,000 to $65,000, just to give you a rough idea, just a rough estimate. And for upgrades, at the end of the day, guys, it all depends on you. A number I like to give all the time is around 10 to 50%. That's typically what we see buyers put in additional upgrades. But at the end of the day, guys, you can come in and just put $20,000 in just upgrades. So it's hard to say that number because everybody has different tastes and they want different things on their house. So, but rough number, I would just say 10%. You go that on, you know, added to that additional price, and then also add your lot premiums. And if you do so, let's get started with this tour. So plan number 1, guys, check this out, guys. Really beautiful, really modern homes here that Tri Pointe does here throughout the Las Vegas area. So if you want a modern home, check out Tri Pointe Homes, guys. They do really great jobs in homes. They are one of my favorite builders. Okay, so obviously right now, your 2-car garage would be the sales office. We're actually gonna take a little shortcut here and go through this gate. But if you come here, make sure you bring me with you, guys, because that way I could represent you and negotiate, guys, the best deal. So also, they haven't even released like the first phase in this community. So what I always tell people, if you want to be one of the first ones in a community and get the best deal, it's always going to be that first phase. After that, they just keep increasing the price. I do love how it does have this front porch that is covered. Perfect to come out here, sit, relax, have a beer, have a drink, coffee, whatever. But check this out, guys. I really do love Tri Pointe, their doors that they do. So let's go inside this beautiful home, guys. So this one is gonna be their smallest floor plan, guys. So, but they do go up to what is it, around 2,700 square feet. So as soon as you come home, guys, I'm really standing in the front door. You can see the kitchen from here, the dining. But before we actually head over there, guys, here immediately here off to the right. So you're gonna have your powder room right here. Let me show you. So you got your single vanity, your toilet, and the window. Look at that wallpaper. Pretty cool, right? Then right here next to it, coat closet. Also, before I get any further, guys, keep in mind, guys, these are model homes. Tri Pointe does highly upgrade their model home. So you're not gonna get everything unless you choose to upgrade. And then as you upgrade, guys, guess what happens? Price does start going up, unfortunately. Here to the left, guys, the door to 2-car garage, current sales office. We're not gonna check it out, but right here's your kitchen, guys. Look at that. You got a good sized island, seats 3 people, quartz countertop, got your stove, microwave. This one has the brown cabinets with the black hardwares. And if you notice, cabinets extend all the way over there. I do love that window right there too. I'll tell you what, Lennar puts different, shaped windows throughout their houses, and that's one of the unique features I really like about them. Dining right here. Let me show you guys over here. You got your sink, then right here you got your dishwasher. But let's just say you're washing dishes, guys. This would be your view, guys. Let me know if that's something you like. Drop a comment below. Then right over here, you guessed it, your pantry to store all your goods. So let's go check out your living room now, and then we'll go look at the backyard. Here's your living room. So here it looks like you also, here downstairs, it looks like you got the 9-foot ceilings. Look at this, guys. Really beautiful. Then go upstairs. We're not gonna go upstairs just yet. I'm actually just gonna show you this closet here really quick. Look at this, guys. How much storage you have here in this closet. This is awesome. So if you need that extra storage, that closet got you covered. Let me see if I have access. I haven't even walked to the backyard, but let me see. I think I do, because I see that thing that's up. Let me see if they keep them. Sometimes some builders keep them locked, but this is not the case. So like I mentioned, guys, here the lots range from $0 to up to $10,000. Just depends on the lot you go with. I'm not too sure what the average lot size here is. But if you want that info, I could give it to you. But let me stand over here, give you guys a nice look. They're also going to be having a grand opening here on the 18th. So if you want more information about that, reach out to me, guys. I will have my contact info below. And also keep in mind, landscaping like this, guys, you will not get just a clean slate, just dirt, unless one day you do decide to purchase this model home. But they will be here for, I'm assuming, probably about at least 2 years at minimum, because they are building over 150 homes. Do have this covered patio. So that, all these things are extra, guys. So if you want something like this, it is going to be an extra cost. And I always recommend, when you do look into new construction, guys, ask to see if they have any quick move-ins. Right here, I believe they really quite don't, because they just opened up. But always, ask for quick move-ins, canceled. Those are your opportunities to strike a good deal at times. That's one of the first questions, like, what do you have in standing inventory? All right, now let's go upstairs. So if you guys are enjoying this tour, guys, do me a huge favor. Like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. Also guys, if you guys are interested in purchasing a new construction home, something that a lot of people don't know, guys. So if you are wanting to have your own outside representation, maybe like a realtor like myself, which I hope so, guys. But either way, guys, maybe you already have your realtor you're working with are not totally fine. This still applies to you. So if you are gonna come to these new construction communities, it's very important, guys, that we do come with you on that first initial visit. Because if we don't, guys, the builders got this rule that they set in place that they won't let us represent you guys because you came by yourself. And a lot of people ask me, like, Romero, like, why is it so important to have a realtor? Well, unlike the builder's agent, guys, who are there to protect the builder, at the end of the day, guys, I'm dedicated to you. So my role is to ensure you secure the best deal, sidestep any comment pitfalls, and protect your interest every step of the way, guys. So if you're interested in a seasoned realtor by your side, and I hope that is me, guys. If not, like I said, that's okay. Maybe you already have a trusted realtor by your side, which is totally fine. But reach out to me, guys. I will have my contact below, guys. So check this out. Right over here, you come in, you got the primary right there. Let me show you real quick. I'll walk into the rooms right now. Bathroom, bedroom, bedroom. But before, let me kind of show you where I walked back, when I came from. You see, okay. So immediately you come in, laundry room. Washer and dryer is not included, guys. But here's your laundry room. And right before, you got another little space right here. Smart panel box. Then right here, this is gonna be your closet to your primary. But remember this, because we're gonna come back to that in just a minute. Before we do, let's check out the bedrooms. Then check out that primary bedroom last, because that's what I do, guys. I save the best for last. So here's the first bedroom. They have it staged as a fitness room, but it's your house, guys. You stage it how you want, and most likely it's gonna be a bedroom. Let me look out this window, guys. Look at it, really beautiful. So like I said, you're in literally the last exit, the northwest of Las Vegas. But if you like those mountain views, it tends to be cooler too because you're higher elevation. Walk-in closet. Now let's go to bedroom number 2. Let me show you this right here, guys. So I know many of you think like, oh, it has a balcony. From the outside, it really doesn't. It's just to give it that nice modern look, but it is a roof up here. So bedroom number 2. Look at those windows, guys. Wow, I love it. Look how bright it is in here. I get clients that ask me all the time, Romero, like, I love this house. It's just not bright enough. Well, over here, at least with this one's not the case, because you do have 3 windows right here. Then you have a walk-in closet. Not your biggest walk-in, but it is something, right? I think it's better than having the sliding closets, in my opinion. But if nothing against those other type of closets, but I mean, look how bright it is in here. Love it. Also upstairs, 9-foot ceilings. And let's go check out the hallway bathroom, and then we'll check out that primary. Before we do, you do have the closet right here, linen closet. Then your hallway bathroom. Check it out. Right over here, you got your shower. You also got a window right there. Your toilet. Let me see if I give you guys a view from here. Do my best. Now, let's check out that primary bedroom, which is gonna be your main bedroom. Look at this, guys. Nice and bright as well. Nice, and I would say it's very spacious, as really wide from that way. You still got some room here, but it's definitely wider this way right here. I mean, look at those nightstands you have. I don't know where they're probably close to 4 feet wide, and look how much room you have on each side. Look at this guy, look at this. I mean, right now I know they haven't built nothing here, but for now, guys, you can definitely appreciate those mountain views. Look at this beautiful day over here in Las Vegas today. Loving this weather. I know summer. I know it's only January, but next thing you know, summer does come knocking. So I'm enjoying this weather right now. Then right over here, you got your primary bathroom. Look at this beauty. Really beautiful. So you got the combo stand up with the bathtub. A nice window right there. Got your dual vanity. Got the black quartz countertop. Same color cabinets as the kitchen. Definitely digging that. And then over here you do have your toilet. But let me give you guys a view from here, standing in the closet. You can get a good look at this bathroom. What do you guys think of this flooring? Let me know in the comments below. Then right behind me is the primary closet. Look at that. And then you remember how I mentioned the laundry room? So here you would have access from your primary closet to the laundry. Perfect, that way you don't kind of have to go around to bring in your clothes, but you could directly come from the laundry room. Beautiful. All right, guys, well, let me know what you guys think of this floor plan. Is it something that works out for you? It may not. What you like, what you don't. Drop a comment below, guys. Also, don't forget, if you guys are interested in this community, this floor plan, or maybe another community, let me know. I will have my contact info in the description below. Would definitely love to be your agent choice and be with you every step of the way. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. That way, when I do upload these tours, guys, you guys receive the notification and always stay up to date with all the new construction. Until next time, guys.